create the blog, we have to know about that what is a blog. Okay, see here, a definition is a blog or a certain version of web blog is an online journal or information website
Sir, you are muted.
I again repeat, a blog is a certain version of web blog is an online journal or informational website which is displaying the information in a reverse chronological order with the latest post appearing first at the top. It is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subjects. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, we need to open Google, okay, in your computer system and type blogger.com. okay, see, blogger.com are the website from a Google, and this is the free of cost services provided by Google to making a website or simple blog. Okay, so we need to use this blogger.com website to creating a blog in a competition. Before to open this website, we need to click this link blogger.com. After that, they will asking you to log in with your Gmail ID. See, this is the website of the blogger.com. Okay, so here this is a website of blogger.com. See, okay, now here right hand side you can see that see there is a sign in buttons are there. Okay, click over there to sign in with your Gmail ID. You must be logged in with your Gmail ID. Don't forget it. Okay, I'm clicking over here, sign in. Now page will be relocating to my Gmail account. Okay, here are my Gmail accounts. I'm choosing my Gmail accounts, second one. Okay, and log in with your Gmail ID and password. And next. After successfully logging, you are relocating on your Google blog.
अरे क्लास चल रही नहीं क्लास चल रही जो हुन भी ना दे
Okay, now here you can see that one of the blogs are available here. Okay, I make this blog in a on a Saturday for a standard 6 a. So today we are going to start a new blog and creating a new blog. So all of you please give attention here how to create the blog. Okay, so here left hand side you can see that there is a number of different tabs over here, like post, then up the states, comments, earnings. If your blog are successfully viral all over the world, okay, and publicly it will be very famous. After that you can getting the rewards as the money which is known as the earnings from your blog. Here are the different type of pages, number of pages you can create over here. Then after layouts, different type of layouts here, which is you make to look attractive your blog. And this one is a theme. Here a predefined theme which is available over here. There is a lots of different type of themes or designing. where you can choose the particular one and apply it in your blog. See, there is a different type of themes are here. Soho, then after Emporio, Notable, es- Essential, Simple blogs, Dynamic views, Picture windows, OSM incorporation, watermark. Okay, all this type of latest and different predefined themes are available in a Google blog. So you have to choose a particular one. And first of all, you have to remember that we are giving you a definition of your blog. You don't want to make your blog its own. Okay, we are giving you a definition of blog. After that, you can go further to making the blog. Next button will be setting. You can choose the setting for your blog. There's the title settings, description about the blog, blog languages, showing a warning of blog readers, required the age confirmation. If you want to apply the blog for students first standard to fifth standard, okay, so you can apply it over here, require the age confirmation. Then at the reading list, okay, and last one is a viewer blog. So here we have to create our blog. So see here, left hand side, click on this drop down menu, okay, and choose the last option, new blog. When we are clicking on the new blog, one of the dialog box will be open on our screen, which is known as title. Okay, remember this, a title is a displaying of top of your blog. Okay, like we are opening a google.com, so we are seeing that a front page will be a Google. Okay, and then after the text box will be a searching criteria. So same as we have to create a blog. So we are taking today like about there is a different type of subjects where which we are creating a blog, like about hobby, about a sports person, about the Google, about food, about your interest. If you are foodie, so you can make a different hotels and foods if your photos with you, and if you are collecting information from the Google and posting on your blog. But as per your definition or as per your subject which we are providing you. Okay, so today, yes Lokendra. Okay, so we are going to choose a title of this blog, like online study. Okay, after that, click on the next button. Now this is most important things in your blog. Choose a URL for your blog. Okay, choose URL for your blog. Here you have to choose your name of your blog, like it will be unique. We all are know about it. There is a number and different type of websites available in the world, like google.com, yahoo.com, Amazon, Flipkart, many more. But every website have a unique name. There is no similar to websites like Amazon 1, Amazon 2, right? There is no one on the Amazon.com. So here as same thing, here we have to choose our own URL with unique. If I am taking a, like my name, see here, like Kirti. So you can see over here, there is an error will be showing over here. See, sorry, this blog address is not available. Means this blog are already taken by the sum of the person. Okay, so choose here we have to choose a unique name and think about the unique name for that. So our title will be online study. So we have to choose our URL like that, online Kida. It also taken by someone. See, online Padaku also taken by some the person. Let's find out new one, Padaku. Okay, this also CBSC Padaku. C. I'm typing CBSC Padaku. Okay, so some it will be available for me. So there is no error showing over here, and the message will be this blog address is available. Okay, so we have to go ahead and next one. Okay, then after click on the save button. Now our blog URL will be saved and you are relocating on your main window. Okay, so here this is our main screen. Now here next steps will be we have to choose the theme for our blog. So let's clicking on the theme option, and here there is a different type of themes available over here. We have to choose the particular one. Let's take it. Like this one. Okay, we are taking this one. Okay, now here you can see that there is a three buttons over here: preview, customize, and apply. Okay, if you want to preview your blog, you can click it over here. If you want to customize of your blog, you have to clicking over here. And if you want to apply this blog on your blog for these themes, so we have to clicking over here, apply button, and message will be shown you. Note that by applying this theme, gadgets that are currently marked hidden may become visible. Okay, we have to clicking go ahead, got it. Okay, now left hand side you can see that message new theme applied successfully on your blog. Now clicking on first one here, post. Now this will be, you have to see here, this is a blank. In above on post tab, you can see that there is a new post options will be there. Clicking over that new post option, and then you can ready to relocate from your main page. Okay, this is the main page where we are creating our blog. Here we have to again type the title of our blog. It will be online study. Okay, and then after okay, so here let's find out. First of all, we need to apply the title over here of our blog. CBSC Padaku. Okay, now select this heading, and here you have to choose from the paragraph tab. Make a headings larger. Heading, major headings, it will be larger, and make it over here from to center location, to alignment as a center. Okay, if you want to change the font for your blog, this headings, you have to choose this one from the font type and choose a particular one like Helvetica. Okay, we are changing the font type of our headings. Now if you want to change the color of your headings, choose here from the text color and choose the font color like red one. Okay, okay, so font color also will be changed. Now here we have to taken some of the content from the Google about our online study. So let's going on the Google, and here typing about online study and press the enter button. Now you can see over here there is a different type of contents available. Choose the particular one like first this link, then after online study with Google. Okay, so here you can see that, right click on that. See, here are the different type of online courses providing by the Google. So now you can see over here, there is a different type of courses will be available here, like a fundamental of digital marketing, make sure customers finding you online, expand the business to your countries. So here we have to choose this content. Any content you can take from the Google. Okay, so let's going on over here, Control V to pasting that content. After that, here are the different type of contents, whatever content you are taking which is related to your blog. Okay, then after here, copied it, Control C, and again here Control V. Okay, so content will be copied. Now see here, choose the font as a medium, then after change the font color black. Now if you want to add images in your blog, click on the image option and click on Y URL. Okay, so the page will be relocating on the next one, and then after here you have to choose a URL over here. Okay, for that image, let's find out over here. See, we are already searching online study with Google and click on the image options. Okay, so you have to find out there is a different type of images available in a Google. So what you have to do, if you want to like a particular image like this one, Google image, so right click on that image and choose the copy image address. Okay, after that we are going back on our blog, and then after paste a URL over here, but this image is not available right now. Next one, let's take it this blog. Control V, this image is also not available. Let's find out new one. This one, copy image address. See, in this link there is an image will be showing us. Okay, now here choose select button. Okay, so image will be available in your blog. You have to make it align of that image, like left alignment, right alignment, as per your needs. Okay, then after let's find out new one. CBSE online. Okay, this is a CBSE portal or images. Let's taking one of the image over here, like this one. Right click on that image and click on the copy image addresses. Again here, image by URL and Control V. Oh, this image is not available on this blog. Let's find out new one. Right click on that image, copy image addresses here, copy image addresses, then going to our next blog. See, this image also available. You have to choose the image which is available on the Google with this link. Okay, otherwise if you there is a showing the error, red color error, image is not available, so don't take that URL. Okay, click on the select button. So the next image will be available over here. You have to moving the image as per your needs. Here we have to align the right one. See, now last one here, if you want to add a video from the YouTube, so next button will be there. Click on the YouTube. Okay, one of the dialog box will be appear there. And if you want to searching from the YouTube, here are options there. We have to search CBSE online video and click on the search. Okay, see, there is a many different type of videos available over here. Let's find out next one. We have already videos over there like tech tutorials by Kirti Verma and searching out. Okay, so my video will be available over here. I am choosing this one and click on the select. Now you can see over here my video will be available on your blog. See, okay, now right hand side you can see that preview buttons. You can see the preview of your blog, how it will be look like. Let's clicking over here preview. See, it's looking wonderful, right? Online study, CBSE Pedagogy, our images will be there, videos also will be there, and here are the comment section. When you are making comments on my blog or any of the blog, you can see over here. Okay, now let's come back from our main blog, and there is a next one option will be publish. Now we have to ready to publish our blog online, so click on publish button. Okay, after clicking the publish button, you are getting your blog addresses. Okay, let's showing you. Click on the publish button over here, right hand side, and the message will be prompted on your screen. This will publish this post to your blog, and click on the confirm. It will be relocating on a new blog. Okay, see, our blog will be created over here. Let's moving a cursor on that blog, and you can see that one of the eye icon will be there. It will be a view, right? You can see over here view. Click on this icon. Now you can relocating on a new page, and your web blog also showing in a website as a live. See here, this is the top of the page. In a URL you can see that cbsepedaku.blogspot.com. okay, this is your blog address, and this blog address is to providing to me. okay, जब भी आपको डेफिनेशन दी जाएगी आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ ब्लॉग, आपको ये URL हमें सेंड करना है. ठीक है, ये